Hi friends, today we see about classification of cam and followers. A cam is a mechanical device used to transmit motion to a follower by direct contact. The driver is called cam, and the driven member is called follower. In the cam follower pair, the cam normally rotates while the follower may translate or oscillate. A familiar example is the camshaft of automobile engine, where the cam drive the push rods the followers to open and close the valves in synchronization with the motion of pistons. Classification of cam and followers. Cams are used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. The motion created can be simple and regular or complex and irregular as the cam turns driven by circular motion. The cam follower traces the surface of the cam, transmitting its motion to the required mechanism. Cam follower design is important in the way the profile the cam is followed. A fine pointed follower will more accurately trace the outline of the cam. This more accurate movement is at the expense of strength of the cam follower. Disc or plate cam. The disc or plate cam has irregular contour to impart a specific motion to the follower. It's especially used to very specified motions only. So unique kind of motions we prefer this kind of disc or plate cams. The follower moves in plane perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the camshaft, and it's held in contact with cam by springs or cavity. Cylindrical cam. The cylindrical cam has a groove cut along its cylindrical surface. The roller follows the groove and the follower moves in a plane parallel to the axis of rotation of the cylinder. Translating cam. The translating cam is a contoured or grooved plate sliding on a grinding surfaces. The follower may oscillate or reciprocate. The contour or the shape of the groove is determined by the specified motion of the follower. Then types of followers: knife edge follower, roller edge follower, then flat faced follower, then spherical follower. So the first one, the diagram number A, which specifies the knife edge follower. The edge of the follower is knife. It's like knife, which is sharp ended. So it can actuate accordingly. The follower also traces path. Likewise, next one is a roll follower. So roller is fixed in the end of the follower. How the cam rotates, likewise the roller also rotate. So it have utilized to carry out very unique kind of process and motions at all. That's why we prefer this kind of methodology to adapt in and cam and follower in different engineering concepts. So for the transmission purpose only we are utilizing this kind of things. Then flat edge. So the edge of the follower is somewhat extended, or it can specify it as a flat one. against the knife edges plus the roller support. Flat is simply a flat surface is bolted together, then we can transfer the desired motions. Then last one is a spherical. So it is an extension of the flat follow flat based follower. So in the flat surface is remodeled as somewhat spherical added at the bottom of the flat surface. So these are the follower kinds we are utilizing in our system. So based on motion, oscillating follower or translating follower. The name itself it specifies whether it oscillating means it's generate to and fro motion or continuously flowing motion. So these are the differences between the oscillating follower and the translating follower. Oscillation means it have attained the same place, same position in an n number of times, depend upon the usage. So these are the examples. Then translating follower, actually it's used to transfer the desired motion into another kind of desired motion. So these are the things. So based on line of motion. So based on line of motion, radial follower, the lines of movement of the inline cam followers pass through the centers the camshaft. Offset follower, for this type, the lines of movement are offset from the centers of the camshaft. So these are the different kind of cam and followers. So cam with knife edge follower, cam with roller follower. Then third one, cam with flat faced follower. Then cam with spherical faced follower. Cam with spherical faced follower. Cam with offset follower. So these are the plenty of cams and followers available in our system. Depending upon the system, we can prefer any one or search or hold any one things into the applications.